Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, as I've said many times before, Divi is an absolutely awesome theme. It comes with some fantastic features, and if you're building any sort of WordPress site at all, you need to check it out. And if you want to, you can test drive it from my affiliate link below this video. As you may know if you've been watching my videos, I like to do a lot of custom CSS and coding to get hover effects and things like this. But today we're going to do something different. I found a plugin and it's fantastic and it's free. And it enables you to do some great things which would probably take me quite a lot of time to code. I've just done these flip boxes and it's not taking me any time at all. And they're pretty effective. They look great. And they're easy to do. So let's firstly show you what the plugin is, and then we'll move on. We'll rebuild these and show you how easy it is. The plugin that we're actually using here is called Divi Supreme Modules. Like I say, it's a free version, or it's a free plugin, and you can either go to their site here. I'll put this link below the video and download it, or you can upload it directly from your dashboard. If we go to your dashboard, if we go down to plugins, I've already got it installed, but if you hit the add new button and just simply type in Supreme Modules, there it is, it pops up. You can install it that way too. Like I say, I've already got it installed. So, okay, presuming you've got that downloaded and installed, let's go to our page. I'll enable the visual builder. We'll do this all on the front end here. And let's just create a new row. I'll do the same as I did there, 3 sections. And when you insert a module, if you flip down a little bit, you're going to see a bunch of purple ones. These are the new modules that you get by default with this new plugin, and it's absolutely great. And today I'm going to use a Supreme Flipbox. And it opens up just like a regular text module. And what it's going to do, it's going to give you 2 modules, one for the front and one for the back, basically. So if we go to the content, let's add a new item. Text. Well, I'll do the same as I did before. Question. Subtitle. What is? And then I just used a bit of lorem ipsum dummy text for the content itself. As you can see, it's got it right there underneath. There's not much going on at the moment. Okay, and image and icon. Let's use an icon. I just used the question mark. There it is. Okay, design wise, I'm going to firstly give it that blue background or a dark background. It really doesn't matter, whatever background you happen to want. Now, first thing you're going to notice is that background's not actually covering the whole of the content that we've got there. But we'll fix that in just a moment. So let's go to design. And let's make our icon white. And text, we want to have that as a light color, and I'm going to make it centered. And light. There we go. So we can actually see that now. But like I say, the content overfilling that box there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the Advanced tab. I'm going to go to the Custom CSS. I'm going to give it a height. I think it was 300 pixels I gave to the last one. There we go. And as you can see, it's giving it a bunch of height there. Okay, that's fine. And I want to add a bit of padding. I think I got more text than I need there, but there we are. And let's add a bit of padding, which will be in spacing. I'm going to take a bit of that text away, I believe. We'll just give it 25 pixels all around. Just put the first value in there, hit the link item, and it'll do the next one for you. Like I said, I'm going to take a bit of that. It's nonsense anyway, that text, but I'll take a bit away. Of course, you can make it bigger if you've got more text like that, but I prefer just to take some away. There we go. That looks a little bit more like it. That looks like that top one there. Okay, so we got the top one. You can see as it flips, there's nothing behind it. So just hit the check mark and you're saved. And you'll see it's kind of like a carousel. You've got one already here. Now if I just duplicate it with the two little squares there. Now when I flip it, you've got the same on the front as you have the back. So let's just change the second one here. I'll say answer. I'll leave that text just the same, it's purely demonstration. Make the background color a different color just so you can tell the difference. And we want to change that icon too, don't we? To an exclamation or an information or whatever you choose. Let's put information there. That will do fine. There we go. Now when it flips around, you've got that on the flip side, which is absolutely great. Now to change the actual animation itself, just when you're out of in the main element like this, not in each section here, you can go to design, just go down to animation and Flipbox effect. Flip right, flip up, flip down, flip left. I'm just going to leave it on right. That works for me. So that was really easy to do. But as you can see, just save that. It's kind of overhanging our bottom bar there. So just need to give this row either a minimum height or a bit of margin. I'm going to give it some minimum height. So I'm going into the row settings, advanced, and I'm going to go to the custom CSS. Just give it a minimum height, min height. Say 300 pixels, that should do it. There we go, and as you see, it's given itself a bit of space there. Put a colon after that, a semicolon after that, in case I want to add some more later. So that was really easy. In this other one, similar thing, I'm just going to copy this module over and drag it up to where we want it. Now this time, when I go to the edit, or if we go in here, I had no background. I took the background away. And this time I didn't use an icon. I added an image, which is that little image of that lady there. So I know you can't see it, but there's that image there. I made it round in the design tab, image and icon. Rounded corners here. If you just select this, and to make a round image, it's got to be you want to start off with a square image. It's got an oblong one will make an oval, or a square one will make a round. Just type in the value of 50%. That'll make it round. It's only done the one corner there, but if you check that little link icon in the middle, it'll do all the corners, and you've got a nice round image there. Now our text at the moment is light, so you can't see it. So let's just flip that to dark. Shut the image and icon. We'll go to the text. flip that to dark. And content wise, I just had her name and her title, didn't I? Okay, so let's go to text, her name, and her title, designer. They'd make some quite good little staff boxes or team boxes, and I'm not going to have anything in the description there at all. Okay, that's great, but it really wants something around it, so we just used a bit of box shadow there. So let's go back to the design, middle tab there, go down, box shadow, and the one I used was that one right there, I believe. Of course, you can change it to how you want. So we've got that nice little effect there. Let's just save that, check mark, and let's have a look behind. Yeah, we want to change the one that's behind it now, this second one. And we had title of join me and a bit of text in there. We had no subtitle, and we had a Facebook icon. So let's just go in there. Of course, you can start from scratch if you want to. Join me, no subtitle. I think I left that same, same stuff in there. And we used an icon. We've got an icon there. I just need to change it to the Facebook. So the content, close the text box, image and icon. And if you flip down here, you'll find a Facebook down the bottom, the one that I used. There it is. That's fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that background away again. I'm going to go to content. I'm going to go to background. Take that color away. And as you can see, we can't see anything because that text is light at the moment. I'm going to flip that text to dark, like we did on the first one. There we go. Should be able to see it now. Great. And the icon, let's make that one blue. There we go. Now all we need to do is make that into, add our little box shadow design again. Let's close up image and icon, box shadow. There we have it. Now this one I did down. Save that. In the main box here, go to design, go to animation. And we'll flip that one to down. There we go. That's just what I did there. And of course on this one, let's make it a link to the Facebook page. I won't add a link. I'll just show you where you do that. So if we just go back to our content, it's the second one there. Hit the cog. And in the link, put a Facebook page. And I'd change that because it's going to an external site. I'd probably change that to in a new tab. So that's how you link it to her Facebook page or whatever you decide to put in there. Okay, that's another one, real easy to do, real effective too. Like I say, they make some nice little team sections there. So let's save that. Close it out. And this one, I kind of got sort of an item, if you will, almost like a shopping basket or anything. It's just another one that I've added a button to and had a gradient background. So again, very easy to do. We'll just copy this one with the two little boxes there. Move it to where we want it. And again, just hit the cog. First one. I've got no title. It's just title and subtitle. Okay, text. Content, I got no content in there, that's fine. Okay, and then close that up. Image and icon. I did not use an icon. I used an image for this. Don't want to use an icon. Oh, it's already on there. Of course, we've got that lady's image in there. Let's get rid of that one. Add the image that I want to put in there, which I think was that. There we are, and it's ovals. What I was saying before, if you try and use a 50% radius on the corners for an image and it's rectangular, then you're going to get an oval like that. So let's take that away. Image and icon. I'm under the design tab. Let's just reset those to 0. There we go. And I simply put a gradient background in, back in the content. Background. Let's go over to gradient. And I think that's exactly what I used, just the default colors there. That's fine. And of course, I changed the text to a white color or light color. Back to the design tab, text, light. There you go, and there's that first one. Now what did it have on the back of it? Okay, it had a button and a bit of lorem ipsum. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back to content. Just check this out. So we've got here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this second one here. So we've got nothing. I'm just going to copy the first one over. And we'll hit the little edit cog right there. And looking at the first one, we had title, subtitle, then a bit of blurb. Bit of lorem ipsum. That in there. And we want to take that image away. Image and icon. Remove, hit the little trash can there. There we go. And the only other thing, I've got too much text there again. No, maybe not, is to add a button. So let's just close up the image and icon, go down to the button. I think I use the text order now. Obviously, you put in exactly what you want. Put in the URL that you want to take the button to. I'm just going to put a hashtag. And whether you want it to open in a new window or not, that's entirely up to you. So now we've got our button in there. And let's just change the background color so it's slightly different from the front. Again, that's entirely up to you. Now it's our first color. Just make it that blue there. Second color, we'll make it a lot darker. Save that. And what we want to do, I should have done that while I was in there, is just the animation bit. Now we'll just go up to the design tab and we'll change the animation. Flip right, let's say flip left. There we go. Save that. There we go. In 20 minutes we've created 3 little interesting boxes right there. That one actually wants to flip down, I think. Of course, it doesn't really matter. I guess I didn't save it. So that one goes that way, that one goes that way, and that one goes the other way. Is that different from that? Goes from left to right. That one goes from right to left. Yep, that's fine. There you go. Really easy way of creating some really nice effects using this free plugin. Big kudos to some Supreme Modules builders. Could have saved myself a lot of time if I'd found that before, but I'm glad I found it now. So I hope you found that useful. We'll be doing a few more of these videos as we go on. Like I say, if you want to try out Divi, you can try it from my link below this video. It is an affiliate link from a disclosure. And remember, this plugin's free, so do use it. So I hope you've enjoyed this and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free courses down there, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.